100% now. See we they don't know we but they acting like they do now. Yeah.
Boom, boom, bang, 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 bing, bing, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with another Lspdfr video, man. Yeah, this is a new video. We're gonna be patrolling this Thursday. We're gonna be patrolling Paleto Bay, man. So this is Thursday Patrol. Welcome to another Thursday Patrol with Jamaican J on the Dash and the X channel. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If you're a first time viewer, please hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, kick it, stamp it, and feel free to share the video. You know what I'm saying? Word up, it's much appreciated. Yeah, let me big up some of my subscribers too, man. I haven't big up some of my people in a while, man. So, yo, big up me, 123. Bass knockers, big up yourself, man. Mailbox, money gaming, big up yourself. Gunplay, big up. Fitzy1582 over there in Ireland, big up yourself, bro. You're appreciated, man. Stick people up. Ray Cody, big up yourself, man. Sonia Bradley, fearless. Todd 973, Thiago Gamer. Yo, man, big up all my peoples, man. I want to thank all you guys for the support, man. If I ain't call your name, man, don't feel no way. I'll get you in the next one. Yeah, so today we're going to be patrolling Paleto Bay. Yeah. As you can see, I got a partner today, man. I'm going to try see how it works out with my partner. So I'm here with my partner, Georgie. Yeah, I'll be tripping. Yeah, I'm with my partner, Georgie, right here. You feel me? You know what? Let me go get some, So before we go on patrol, man, let me make sure I put on my vest. Get some armor. Yeah, so you got some armor now. Yeah, man, big up Green. Big up yourself, Green. Big up yourself, Konark. You know what I'm saying? Big up. Alright, man, so hope we don't get into a lot of bullshit this Thursday. But we're gonna see. So I put a new call out in too. So I forgot what the name of the call out is though. I think it's called Leroy's call out. So we're gonna check that out too. Alright, man. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Dispatch 7 Frank 11.
7 Frank 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch show me 10-8.
10-4, copy that. 10-8.
Alright, let's drive around in the meantime. Oh, hold up, what's this? Shots fired. What?
All units.
Dispatch show me en route.
A firearm attack on an officer. 99, all units respond.
Turn these sirens on. Shots fired, man. That's urgent. Move out the way.
In all my years on the force.
Oh shit. No, this is serious right here. Come on, jump out the Jeep. Let's stop traffic, man. Let's stop traffic. This is serious.
Attention all units. Code 4. No further units required.
Damn. Dispatch, suspect is down.
Roger, a person down. Is medical aid required?
Affirmative.
Ambulance. Assistance required. Great Ocean Highway.
Dispatch, we have the suspect.
Yo, what's going on over there? Why they shot that guy? man. I don't know why they shot that guy over there. It's a good thing that cop had his vest on, man. This guy would have killed him.
We can't lose another one.
Let's go see what this one. If he got any,
Might be too late.
if he got any gun on him. Yep, he sure do. Look at him. Got a lot of bullet holes too. Yo, which biker gang is this, man? Who you guys, man? Are you the Hell Riders? What are you? The Lost. Y'all take it easy now. Don't let the Jamaican cop have to slap you all over the place.
It's not our fault.
Okay, so he's a goner. Go check the other one over there, bro.
Hope we got here in time.
Yeah, look at this, man. He got shot in the chest 3 times. Dispatch requesting coroner unit.
Assistance required in not Chiliad.
We did everything by the book. Alright, I gotta get all of this cleared up first before I could move. Because somebody say I should play like a real cop, man. So, hey. I'm trying. So if y'all real cops see me playing this, please don't be mad at me, man. I don't know nothing about being no cop. But I'm trying, though. So you gotta give me E for effort. So what about this guy right here? Did he have a gun? No. Why did y'all shoot him, man? Why did y'all kill this guy? He didn't even have a gun. So, see, nobody looked at that guy over there. He must have been real dead or something. He must be real dead. Not partially dead, real dead. Alright, man, so I hate when we have to wait for all these guys. This guy, he heard the bullets and he got out of the tow truck and run away. He a coward ass. Okay, guys, come on, man. Y'all gotta move faster than that. We got more work to do over here. Let me go search this car in the meantime. That's what you get for shooting at a cop, bruh. Especially a Jamaican cop. Jamaican police don't play that shit. So you see, nobody got that guy over here, man. That's fucked up. How y'all gonna leave this poor guy right here? Oh, dispatch requesting ambulance.
Ambulance. Assistance required in not Chiliad.
He's probably still alive though. He probably ain't bleed out. I don't see a lot of blood coming from him.
Here we go.
Yo, where is that truck going?
Give me a chance.
Give me a chance. Okay, he's alive. I don't know why y'all was trying to shoot him. All right, let's go. Let's go, Georgie. Let me get a tow truck over here to get the suspect car. And then we out. Dispatch requesting tow truck. Make it a large flatbed dispatch.
Flatbed. Assistance required.
Come on, man. Let's go.
Chiliad.
Let's go, bro. Let's go, Georgia. Yo, let's go, man. Man, it's foggy. I can't see nothing. Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Roger, 10-8. Citizens report in Paleto Bay.
Person sleeping on property. Dispatch, show me en route.
10-4, 7, Frank, 11.
I'll just go with a code 2 siren. I don't think it's that much of an emergency. Man, who knows what we could get into today, huh? Could be anything. Let's go check out this one. I think I might run some plates too. I think it's this house right here. Okay. Oh, lady. Okay, it's a lady. Let's go see what's up here. What's happening here? Dispatch, show me on scene.
Roger that, 10-23. Is backup required?
Negative, dispatch.
10-4.
Talk to this lady. I know she's gonna ask me again if I need backup, you know. Hello, officer. That homeless person is sleeping in my yard.
Dispatch to 7, Frank, 11. Is backup required?
Negative. Negative, dispatch. Negative. Jesus, how much time I'm gonna tell you that?
Roger.
Okay, where was I? How long have you been here, ma'am? About 30 minutes. All right. Have you asked them to leave? No, I haven't talked to them. Okay, I'll see what I can do. Thank you, officer. All right, let's go see what's up, man. This guy sleeping in people. Yo, what the fuck is up with you sleeping in people's yard, man? Like, who does that, man? Like, who come to a people's yard and sleep in it, man? You know? What's wrong with you, man? Who does that? You know what I'm saying? Look at you, man. I should stomp you out on the ground, man. Let me go talk to this dude. Yo! You better back away from me. Yo, yeah? Hey, listen, fool. You on private property. The homeowner wants you to leave now. I'll leave when I'm done sleeping. Motherfucker, no you ain't. You're going to leave now. I'm not going any. Oh, you're not going anywhere? Okay, I got something for you. Right. Got something for you. You're not going anywhere? You're not going anywhere? Huh? I bet you're going somewhere now, huh? Huh?
Hands up!
I bet you're going somewhere now. Lock your ass up, too. Don't play with me, boy. What you mean you're not going anywhere? You must not know about Jamaican police. Welcome to Jamaican police. I arrest him myself. I don't need nobody to arrest him.
You're under arrest, fucker!
All units, code 4. No further units required.
Hey, Georgie, pat him down, man. Pat him down, Georgie. Because I don't have to bit slap him. Please. Because he's giving me all this back talk. What he got on him? PCP? Yeah, you're going to jail. You're going directly to jail. You won't collect $200. All right, let me see. Dispatch requesting transport for a bum.
10-4, copy that. Transport required.
Where's this transport vehicle at? Yo, I need to change my transport van, man. I need to change my transport van. I want a fancy, something more fancy, a little bit more fancy than the one we have now. All right, George, let's go.
I'm gonna fucking lose it! Come on! Hurry up!
Yo, what's wrong with this person right here? Why you can't wait? Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No further units required. Citizens report a motor vehicle accident.
Dispatch, show me en route. I don't know if I really want this call, man.
10-4, copy that. 7, frame 11.
Damn, I gotta drive all the way around. I just put on a code 2 siren on this too. Okay, let's see where this broken. Yeah, what's all these big trucks doing down here? Ain't no store down here. Okay, what's going on? What's going on here? Where's the car, man? I ain't parking up beside that damn vehicle. Come on, George. Let's go see what's up with this car right here. Yo, bro, stop trying to start the car, man. It won't work. Seems to be the problem here, man. Thanks for getting here so quickly, officer. No problem, man. What seems to be the issue? My car stopped in the middle of the road. No warning. It just died. Wait, man, motherfucker, this is not the middle of the road. You're on a beach on a dead-end block. Wow, that's quite bad luck. You're in a very dangerous spot. We have to move your vehicle as soon as possible. Like, what danger is this car in? For the plane to fall on top of it? I know. I have no idea what's wrong with it. I've tried restarting the engine, but never works. Alright, dude, keep your calm. I'm gonna call a tow truck. How about you stand over there by the car and shut the fuck up? Sounds good, officer. Alright, let's see what's up, man. Shit's smoking. Georgie, man, what you think about this car, man? Look like a BMW ripoff, man. This shit is from China. Rip. Alright, man, they call a tow truck. Dispatch requesting a tow truck. Large flatbed.
Flatbed. Assistance required in Paleto Bay.
You know, I kind of like this call out because these missions are like more realistic. Because you do get called out like this when you're a cop, man. You get called for all kind of shit, bullshit, real shit, stupid shit, good shit. I don't know. You get called for all of that. Like, but when you're in this problem, you don't call the cops. You call AAA, don't you? I think you call AAA, man. I don't think you call a cop. Where's the tow truck? Alright, you know what? They gotta work that out. Let me go see what this guy's talking about over here. Is he gonna make the jump? Is he gonna jump over here? Oh, you look like you gonna try it. Go ahead. Go ahead, bro. Jump over. See how stupid they are? Look at him. Look at this fool. Huh? He ain't never gonna make it, man. Look at him. He gonna try it again. He gonna try it again. Look. fuck this. Let's go talk to this dude. I don't know what that truck guy doing. He can't make it, man. He's trying to jump over that Yo, I hate this fucking thing sometimes. Like, why is he trying to jump over there? There's no road there, bro. Fuck this shit. I don't know what the hell that truck is doing. Can I talk to this dude? No, I can't speak to him. So the truck got to take up the car first before I could speak to him. Man, fuck this. I'm out of here. Ain't gonna stay here all day waiting on that truck. Come on, George, let's go. Hey, bro, you on your own. You want to talk to that truck driver? Fuck both of y'all. Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional officers.
You find your way home, bro. You on your own. We ain't got the time. Word up. Yeah, man, ain't nobody got no time for that. Yo, did he run the light? No, he didn't run the light. Okay. Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Roger that. 10-8.
Did I just got a frame drop right there? All right, Georgia, let's see what we could get into, man. Make sure everything is good around here. Let's run some plates also.
Citizens report a possible carjacking.
Carjacking?
Plato Bay.
What? Dispatch, show me en route.
10-4 copy. 7 frame 11.
Word up. See what's going on here. Carjacking. Not on my watch. Yo, go ahead, bruh. Okay. What's going on here, lady? Okay, let's go see. Yeah, so I'm checking out this new call out. That Leroy call outs, man. I don't know if this is one of them. See what this lady wants. Someone stole my car, officer, please. Have to get it back. Okay, just calm down. Tell me what happened here, lady. I was sitting at the intersection and someone just came up and jerked me out of my car. Did you see what they looked like, lady? No, by the time I knew what happened, they were gone. What kind of car is it? And what is his license plate number? It's a felon. License plate is 88IJP037. Damn, you caught all of that, lady? Good work. All right. Did you see which way they went?
Target last seen in
that way, I think.
Bay.
Okay. All right, lady.
Suspect last seen in Paleto Bay.
Okay, he's in Paleto Bay.
Suspect last seen in Paleto Bay.
All right, come on, Georgia, let's go. He's in Paleto Bay.
Suspect last seen in Paleto Bay.
Okay, lady. Okay, dispatch, I think I got that. Oh, that's him right there. There we go, right there. That's him right there. He's not even trying to stop, right? Usually when you see a cop car behind you, you would slow down a little bit, wouldn't you? Especially if you got his siren on. Look at what? Look at this guy is. Sorry, guy. Dispatch, requesting backup. Yeah, watch it, dear. Oh, the channel is busy. Damn. Gotta wait till she get back to me. But this guy won't stop. Come on, dispatch, man. This guy's getting away.
Dispatch 7, Frank 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch requesting roadblock.
Backup needed.
Copy. Officers en route.
See where you gonna go now, bro. Oh, you went around it? Oh dear, you.
Dispatch. Purpose sight.
How the hell you missed that roadblock, man? This guy's getting on my nerve, man. I don't want to be too hostile with him either. Dispatch requesting spike strip.
Assistance required.
Roger K.
Okay, let's have these spike strips get him, man. Because I don't really want to be too hostile. There you go. Where you going, bro? Where you going? Yo, you better get out of it, man. Get out, man.
The suspect's on foot.
Look at this fool. Look at this idiot, man. Where are you going?
Attention all units. Code 4. No further units required.
Yo, take him away, guy. You can't. Why don't you take him away? There you go. Take him. He's getting away again. Take him, bro. All right, but you and him got to work that out. Come on, bro. Come on, Georgie. I don't know what's up with. Where is this guy going? What the fuck is going on here? Look at this. Let me stop this traffic. God, this guy's getting on my nerve right now. What the hell is he doing in the car? Man, some of you guys, man, y'all better work on your call-outs, man. Word up. Come on, Georgia, we out of here.
You're under arrest.
Man, you're the second cop who told him that. Let me see if you're going to arrest him. Nope, you just stand him beside the car.
Hope you like prison food, shithead.
I don't know what the fuck that was about. Let me get... Oh, hey, yo, where you running to, bro? Let me get back to my jurisdiction. Yo, bro, why you gotta stop right there? Get out of the way, man. Shoot. Fuck with us, man. Y'all don't respect this light. I noticed that. You know what I'm saying? I noticed y'all don't respect this siren. Oh, it's been a while I did a night patrol too, man. Alright, now I'm back over here. Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Roger, 10-8.
Look at my truck if it's messed up. Yeah, it's messed up. Let me fix my vehicle.
Citizens report possible trespassing.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
10-4 copy. 7 Frank 11.
It ain't easy being a cop, that's for sure. Yo, so what I noticed, man, if some of you guys, if you play this game and it crashes, one thing I noticed is like when you have a lot of stuff in your bin and you don't empty your bin, it could slow this game up. I didn't know that. Okay, let's see. So I'll be emptying my recycle bin. Oh, it's over here. Yo, what the hell is this dude doing? Look at this fool. Turn the flashlight on his ass. Yo, man, what you doing here, man? I see that crowbar in your hand, bro. Hey, man. Let me talk to him, yo. All right, officer, just don't hurt me. Just stay where you are. Keep your hands there. What are you doing here? That's none of your business. Just don't hurt me, please. Is this your house? Are you walking around here with a crowbar? I don't need to answer anything. All right, you're under arrest, sir. Please stay where the fuck you are.
Hold it! You're under arrest,
Roger that.
fucker!
Okay. I don't know, like, the code to tell the suspect that... when I say suspect in custody, she don't know what I'm saying. There's a code for it. Is it 10-9? Let me see. Dispatch, show me 10-9.
Roger that. 10-19.
No, that's 10-19. Oh, no, I'm not returning to station. Dispatch, show me 10-6. Let me take this guy out here.
10-4. 10-6.
Yeah, man, what you doing in the people with your crowbar, bro? Trying to break in people place. You know what I'm saying? How dare you? Yo, pat him down, Georgie. Let me go see if he drop anything around here. Let's see if, oh, he got a baggie of cocaine on him. Let's watch him, Georgie. Let's make sure he ain't, he ain't do no harm to these people's house. Okay, everything looked to be 10-4. Dispatch requesting transport.
10-4. Copy that. Transport required.
Another day on the job. All right, Georgia, we gotta go. Sandra here. Get him out of here. Dispatch, show me 10-8.
10-4. 10-8.
Yeah, man. Paleto Bay Patrol. Yep. Yeah, man. Like I said, man, welcome again to another Thursday Patrol. We seen what we could get into.
Now no need to get your tail feathered.
Yo, what's that red dot? I don't know what that is. Let me run some plates in the meantime. Willie's. Big Willie. Oh, let me go around this way. I didn't drive on this street. We patrol around this back street. Patrolling in the country. What's that? Stolen vehicle. I'm on it. I'm on it. I don't know what that red dot is right there.
For a cheap shot sometime.
I'm gonna wait till the light changes, then there we go. Yeah, man, I got you, man. You know, stolen vehicle. Don't try nothing. Dispatch, show me on traffic stop. Dispatch, give me plate check.
7, frame 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch requesting plate check. Making sure this vehicle is stolen.
Target vehicle license plate 60 X-ray X-ray Henry Niners 63. A traffic violation. A possible stolen vehicle. Approach with caution.
Why is that police got a red dot on him? Stolen vehicle. I was gonna call backup, but I think me and Georgie could take care of this fool. Alright, Georgie, keep your flashlight on him, bro. Keep your flashlight on him. Yeah, let me see all them documents, man.
May I see your ID, please? Thanks.
Watch him, Georgie, watch him. Let me make sure. Do some research right here. Alright, see, vehicle record. Let's check the vehicle record. Okay, expired, stolen, yes, okay. So this car belongs to a lady and it's a guy that's driving it, huh? Jaden is driving it. Shit don't belong to you, Jaden. Yeah, it is stolen. Should turn on my bright lights. Yeah. Let's deal with this guy. Huh? Yeah, man. Get out of that damn vehicle, man. It don't belong to you.
Wait!
You wait 1 minute.
You're going away for a long time.
Hold up, let me detain you quick. You're riding around in a stolen... What's this? Saddler. See what you got, man. Hope you ain't got nothing to give me coronavirus or AIDS in your pocket. Let me see. Bong with powder residue. Should I give him problems? Nah, I ain't gonna give you no problems, man. You're already in big trouble for this stolen vehicle. Hey, Georgia, watch this fool. I'm gonna search his car. See if he put anything in here. Get that thing out of here. Alright, man, let's get rid of him. Dispatch requesting transport.
10-4, transport required.
Will you hide toilet?
Transport right here. Is this transport? Yep.
Hey!
That's what I call fast service. Yo, Georgia, watch it, man. Don't be walking up on me and rubbing up on me, man. I don't play that, man. You could get shot. Yo, hurry up and take this guy out of here, man.
Thank you kindly.
Oh, they're switching driving? Okay. They're switching seats. Alright, we're gonna need an insurance company for this truck. Dispatch requesting insurance company.
Assistance required in, Paleto Bay.
Let the insurance company come pick this up. You know. That's what they do to me. Ugh, they take my damn car away. I ain't got no insurance.
How are you?
Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No further units required.
Okay, let's run some more plates. Let's see what we got into. We got a stolen vehicle off the street. Just by running them plates.
Citizens report a possible disturbance in Paleto Bay.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
10-4, 7 Frank 11.
See what's going on over here. Somebody pissing all over the place. Where is that person? Urination.
10-4.
Okay, press Y. Look at him pissing right there. Look at him. Hey, this nasty turd. Hey, bro. Yo, nasty man. Yo. You. Yo, nasty man. No, I don't even want to go near to this guy. I don't want him to piss on me. Yo, watch it, Georgie. Why you gonna go stand there, bro? Are you trying to see the guy's stuff? Yo, what you doing, man? Oh, nothing. What are you doing? Stop from urinating in public. You know that's illegal, right? But I couldn't hold it. What am I supposed to do? But I ain't gonna lie, bro. I did that shit a lot of times, cause sometimes you go places and you can't hold that shit. What you gonna do for real? Alright, man. Alright, you know what? I understand you, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I understand what you're going through. So.
Hold it!
I'm gonna dismiss him with a warning. He didn't drive no car here. Yo, listen, man. Don't let me ever catch you pissing on this wall again, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Get out of here, man.
Behave yourself next time! Damn it!
Dispatch, show code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional officers needed.
Word. Nasty little turd. Nasty little fucker. Yo, come on, Georgia, let's go. Need some coffee, man. Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Roger, 10-8.
Somebody please make a coffee shop mod for this Lspdfr where we could actually pull up to a shop and get some coffee. Cause you know cops love their coffee. And donut.
Citizens report in, not Chiliad.
Mount Chiliad, is that far? No, sir. We are not going to Mount Chiliad. That is too far. Nope, 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 nope. No Mount Chiliad. No Mount Chiliad. I think that's out of my jurisdiction. Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Roger, 10-8.
Yeah, let's do a couple more call. Maybe 1 or 2 more call outs and. Yeah, man, another Thursday patrol. run some plates.
Attention all units. A civilian requiring assistance in Paleto Bay.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
10-4, 7 Frank 11.
This is a elderly lady need assistance. Oh, that's her right there. Officer over here, officer over here. Elderly civilian. Okay, let's see what she wants. Hello, man. Did you call? Oh, hello, officer. Yes, that was me. I can't seem to remember where I am. Okay, where are you trying to go, ma'am? I'm trying to get back home. Tell me where you live and I'll drive you home, or I can call you a taxi. Thank you. You are so kind. No problem, ma'am. Okay, get into your... I'm gonna drop her home, man. Come on, Georgia. Let's give her a ride.
You cocksucker!
Come on, Georgie. So she get in the back. Get in the back, lady. Oh, you don't want to get in the back? So you know what? I'm gonna call you a cab. It looks like she wants to get in the front seat, but Georgia took it.
Mother of God.
So if I could call her a cab. Get you an Uber. How I get an Uber? I forgot how to get an Uber. Dispatch requesting Uber.
10-4.
Dispatch is like, I ain't no fucking taxi company. Well, lady, I don't know.
Attention all units.
Code 4.
No further units required.
Damn, man, I messed up, man, because now the lady gotta walk home. That's so messed up. And she got corona. Come on, George, man, because you're the one who caused all of this. Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Roger, 10-8. Citizens reporting in Mount Chiliad.
No, man, I don't want no Mount Chiliad. That's too far. No, I don't want it. I don't know why I pressed that by accident. I don't want it, man. I'm gonna see if I could get rid of it. Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units.
There we go.
No
I got rid of it.
officers needed.
That was cool. Run 2 plates and see what's up. Yo, Georgie, man, what's up? You good, man? I like them shades, man. Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Citizens reporting.
Shoot, I need a call out, man.
Roger, 10-8.
It's okay. Fuck it. Expire registration. I'm not gonna kill him for that.
George 15, dispatch to,
Mount Chiliad. Did he just run the red light? Look at that.
I'm still mad with you.
Don't try to slow down now, bro. Don't try to slow down. What is he doing? What is he doing? What is this guy doing? What is he doing? Dispatch, show me on traffic stop. Requesting plate check. Dispatch requesting plate check.
target vehicle license plate 45 Queen Union Nora 049ers. Target is 10-4.
Well, he may be 10-4, but he didn't 10-4 at the light. He run that light, man. Yo, bro. Let me talk to him, Georgie. Let me see some documents, man. Because I ain't got time for the...
Your ID, please.
I ain't got no time for the sweet talk. And I smell narcotics. Oh, man. You know what? Let's get out the vehicle. Because I ain't going to smell no narcotics and leave you in the vehicle. Let's get out so we could just get it over with.
Hold it!
Yo, come over here, man. Let me talk to you. Come over here. Stand right here. Right there, right there. Let me ask you some question, man. Have you done any drugs recently? Nope. Yeah, I know you didn't. Okay. Let me question him about running that red light. No, not documentation. What did he run the red light? So it'll be traffic. Nope. Where's that? Where's the question for that, man? Or why you run the red light? Where you heading to, man? You don't want to know. All right. You say you didn't have any drug. I'm gonna take a drug test right now. Check him out, George. Give him a drug test real quick, man. Because he's lying to me. Because I smell it.
Appreciate it.
What's going on there? Hey, Georgie, man. Lock this guy up, man.
You have the right to absolutely nothing. Shocking.
Let's go check him out, though. I could get a ped check, right? I don't have to go to the... I don't think I gotta go to the car. Dispatch requesting ped check. You got no warrants. Okay. You're going to jail for DUI tonight, though. Search this vehicle. Oh, I can't search the tow truck. Okay. Dispatch requesting transport.
10-4, copy that. Transport required.
Yup. Come on, transport. Where are you? Yo, bro, what the hell you doing driving a tow truck intoxicated, man? And you run the red light. I should have gave you a ticket for it, but being that you got charged for narcotics. Alright, so this guy ain't coming. Come on, guy. Okay, let's stop traffic so they don't run up in this car.
Hi.
Hey girl, how are you?
Asshole.
Alright, let's get so I don't think a tow truck could take this, so maybe an insurance company I'm gonna have to call. Yo, come on, Georgie.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Dispatch requesting insurance company.
Assistance required in Paleto Bay.
Wait till his insurance company get here. Come on, bro. You don't have time. You're driving like you're in slow motion.
You good?
Dispatch show us code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional officers needed.
Dispatch show me 1019.
Roger that. 10-19.
Yeah, let dispatch know I'm returning to the station. Yeah, man, my shift is over. Yeah, man, it was a long shift, ain't it? Ain't it? Yeah, man, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Thanks for watching. Do remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Yeah. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J_Dashanda_X. Also on Twitter, Dashanda X, Jamaican J4. Yeah, your support is much appreciated. Thanks for watching another episode of Thursday Patrol. God bless. One.